Blew the whole fucking liner out of this thing, dude.
Get some more water out of the way. Yeah, I checked the gasket on that one. It looked good, Brad. Should just be sitting right on that dude.
Nice.
The other half there.
Yeah.
Jerry helped a lot.
Second tap of the day, ductile iron, leak testing it, gonna backfill. Guys saw us pour these walls episode or two ago, getting everything ready. The kit should be here next week or so. We got some pier layout. We're gonna set all our piers. That.
I was going to have to put dirt, but I didn't want to worry about it until the height. You know?
Let me check.
All right, that's quick. Yeah. Exactly.
That's it. That was it. It's really close. It's damn near perfect. If we pressed the top of it, we'd be good. You're really close. You gotta come in this way, but I would pack it and then you'll lean it in. It's just within an inch or two. You're touching right there. That's good. It's actually perfect. I'm gonna go look at the prints. busy morning, snow's coming. Late in the season, trying to pour these walls so we can pour this slab, so we can put this floor on, keep building our house, having work in front of us, waiting on our last 8 yards. This ICF, no matter how much scaffolding or bracing, turnbuckling you put on it, makes you a little nervous. We're looking good though. Gonna finish strong. Use this vibrator. Finish this top screed. Put our anchor bolts in, 5/8 anchor bolts, 24 inches on center. Corner's full. Still standing, boys. Everything's done. Balls look good, anchor bolts are set. We're cleaning up, getting out of here for the day. All right, it's the day after pour, freezing outside. This thing is cured though. We're gonna start carefully stripping the outside forms, and everything's looking where it should be. We're gonna clean this place up, get it stripped down. I think so, bro. All right, guys, everything is stripped down and cleaned up, put away on the trailer. All these walls look real good. Our rough openings on our windows and our door, really close. They look really accurate. Really happy with how everything turned out. We're gonna do a little bit of damp proofing around the backside, call that inspection, so we can start doing some backfill on the outside of our walls, and call our plumber over here to do our roughing so we can pour the slab for you guys next episode. That's it for this episode, guys. We shut up and got right to it. Hope you learned a thing or two. Crunch time this type of season. We still got a lot of building in front of us. That kit is laid down on our other job site, ready to put that sill plate on, start building that kit, along with putting the floor on this cabin. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.